In this class, I am going to discuss some of the trigonometric identities that will be helpful for solving problems. Let us start. The first identity is sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 into sin a, sin b, sin c. Here we have sum, here we have product. Now let us prove it. Now take LHS. We have LHS sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. For these two terms, apply sin c plus sin d formula. We have 2 sin 2a plus 2b divided by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So we have cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin 2c. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. We have a plus b into cos a minus b. These 2 and this 2 will get cancelled plus sin 2c. Now in any triangle, we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to pi or 180 degree. So here we have a plus b. Get a plus b value from here. We have a plus b is equals to pi minus c. So it will become 2 into this will become pi minus c into cos a minus b plus sin 2c. Sin 180 minus theta. Sin pi minus theta value is sin theta only. So this will become sin c. 2 sin c into cos a minus b. Now this sin 2c can be written as 2 sin c into cos c. Here we have 2 sin c, 2 sin c, take these two common. We have 2 sin c into cos a minus b. From this we have cos c. Cos c. Now here we have a minus b, here we have c. So try to eliminate c so that we have same terms like a and b. From this equation we will get the value of c. The value of c from here. 2 into sin c is c value. From this equation we have pi minus a plus b. Now we have relation AB and AB. Similar terms are there. So that equal to 2 into sin c. Now cos a minus b as it is. Cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta. Let me write down here. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So it will become, this plus become minus cos a plus b. That equal to 2 sin c. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b value is 2 sin a sin b. So we have 2 sin a sin b. Now multiply these two, we have 4 sin a sin b sin c. Now we got RHS. So this is the identity, we have to remember this. Now we have second identity, sin a plus sin b plus sin c equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. We know that in any triangle we have a plus b plus c is equals to pi. Sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree or pi. From this, if we divide this equation by 2, we have a plus b plus c by 2 is equals to pi by 2. From this, we will get a plus b by 2 is equals to pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now let us take LHS. We have LHS sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Now apply sin C plus sin D formula here. We have 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C as it is. 2 into sin. Now apply A plus B by 2 values, pi by 2 minus C by 2. So this will become pi by 2 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C. Sin 90 minus theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta. Value is cos theta. So this will become 2 cos C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 as it is, plus this sin C can be written as 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Here we have 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C by 2, take common. We have 2 cos C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus we have sin C by 2. Here we have AB relation, here we have C. So try to arrange this equation in terms of only A and B. So remove this C by 2 from here. From this, value of C by 2 is pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2. So this C by 2 can be written as pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2. So this can be written as 2 cos C by 2 copy this. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this will become cos A plus B by 2. That equal to 2 cos C by 2. Cos A minus B plus cos A plus B is 2 cos A cos B. So it will become 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. Now multiply this. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Now that is RHS. Now third identity, cos 2A, cos 2B, cos 2C equal to -1, -4 cos A, cos B, cos C. Take LHS, we have cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Apply cos C plus cos D formula. We have 2 cos 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos 2A minus 2B by 2 plus cos 2C. 2 cos, these two will get cancelled. We have cos A plus B into cos A minus B plus cos 2C. 2 cos, this value A plus B value is pi minus C into cos A minus B plus cos 2C. Cos 180 minus theta. Cos pi minus theta values minus cos theta. So it will become minus cos C. So this is minus 2 cos C into cos A minus B. Now this cos 2C, cos theta, cos 2 theta. Formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this will become 2 cos square C minus 1. Now we have 2 cos C, 2 cos C. Take 2 cos C common. It will become minus 2 cos C common. We have cos A minus B. Minus is taken common, so we have minus here. Cos C and this minus 1 as it is. Now this will become minus 2 cos C into cos A minus B. Here we want A relation. So change this C to pi minus A plus B. Now that is equals to minus 2 cos C into cos A minus B. Cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Here we have minus, so it will become plus. Plus cos A plus B minus 1. Minus 2 cos C. Cos A minus B plus cos A plus B value is 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A into cos B minus 1. Write down this minus 1 first. Now 2 into 2 is 4, minus 4 cos A cos B into cos C. We got RHS. Now the fourth identity is cos A plus cos B plus cos C equal to 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2 and sin C by 2. Now take LHS. Cos A, cos B, cos C. Now apply cos C plus cos B formula here. We have 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 plus cos C. 2 cos A plus B by 2 value is pi by 2 minus C by 2. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this will become 2 sin C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 plus here we have cos C. Cos C can be written as 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. We have these two formulas. Here we have sin. So take sin formula. We have 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Here we have 2 sin C by 2, 2 sin C by 2 take common. We have 2 sin C by 2 common, cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. Here plus 1 is there, so write down plus 1 here. Now this will become 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2 value. C by 2 value is pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2 plus 1. We have 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it will become minus cos A plus B by 2. That equal to 2 sin C by 2 plus 1 is there. Plus 1. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B formula is 2 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2 plus 1. So here we have 1. So write down 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. We got RHS. Now let us recall the identities that we have derived now. First identity that we have is sin 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Here we have sum of sines. Here we will get product of sines. 4 into sine, all sine terms are there, sine 2a is there, so write down 1a sine a sine b into sine c. Here sum is there, here we have product, and 2a is there, then half of 2a is a, so we will take a b c, 2a 2b is, and 1a 1b 1c. Similarly we have second identity, sine a plus sine b plus sine c. Here we have 1a 1b 1c, that will become 4 as it is. Whenever we have 1a 1b 1c, we have sine to cos transformation, so we have cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. For 2a we have sine to sine, for 1a we have sine to cos transformation. Similarly third identity is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. We have 2a 2b 2c, so we have minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. 2a 2b 2c, 1a 1b 1c. Fourth is cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Then we have 1 plus 4, 1a 1b 1c is therefore sine to cos transformation. We have sine a by 2 sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. Now let us prove this. A plus b plus c is equals to 180 degree. Prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. Here sum of angles is 180 degree. Here we have square. We already know that 1 plus cos 2 theta value is 2 cos square theta, cos square a. These two are similar, so from this we will get cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is equals to cos square theta. So convert this cos square a as 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Here we have 1a, here we have 2a, plus this 1 plus cos 2b divided by 2 plus this 1 plus cos 2c divided by 2. Now take LCM. We have 2, 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2b, 1 plus cos 2c. 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have 3 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c divided by 2, that is equals to 3 plus cos 2a cos 2b cos 2c. This identity we have minus 1 minus 4 cos a, so it will become minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b into cos c divided by 2. Now multiply this plus sign. We have 3 minus 1, we have 2, 2 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c divided by 2. Now cancel these two and these two. We have 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. We got RHS. Prove that in any triangle ABC cos square a cos square b minus cos square c equal to 1 minus 2 sin a sin b and cos c. Write down this cos square a as it is. Here we have in terms of sine, 2 sine terms, so convert these 2 terms into sine. This term will become 1 minus sine square b minus this term 1 minus sine square c, that equal to cos square a plus 1 minus sine square b, multiply the minus sign, minus 1 plus sine square c. These two will get cancelled. We have cos square a plus sine square C minus sine square B cos square A. Now apply sine square A minus sine square B formula. We have sine square C plus B sine C plus B into sine C minus B. Now that equal to cos square A plus sine C plus B. We know that A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C value is pi. From this C plus B yani B plus C value is pi minus A, and this term sine C minus B, that equal to cos square A sine 180 minus theta is sine theta only, so it will become sine A, and this sine of minus theta value is minus sine theta. So write down this as minus of B minus C. Now write down this cos square A in terms of sine. So 1 minus sine square A plus into minus, we have minus sine A sine B minus C. We have sine A common, so take minus sine A common. We have sine A, minus is common, so we have plus sine B minus C. So this will become 1 minus sine A into, here we have B minus C, here we have A. Change this A to B minus C or B plus C. So it will become sine A value. A value will be pi minus B plus C plus sine B minus C, that equal to 1 minus sine A into sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, so it will become sine B plus C plus sine B minus C. 1 minus 2 sine A, sine B plus C plus sine B minus C value is 2 sine B cos C, 2 sine B cos C. So it will become 1 minus 2 sine A sine B, last one is cos C. 1 minus 2 sine A sine B cos C. This is RHS. If A plus B plus C is pi, prove that sine square A by 2 sine square B by 2 minus sine square C by 2 is 1 minus cos A by 2 cos B by 2, and last one is sine C by 2. Now we have cos and sine. Here we have all sine. Convert any one of them into cos. So solution for this, convert this into cos. We have 1 minus sine 1 minus cos square A by 2 by using identity, plus sine square B by 2 as it is minus sine square C by 2 as it is. We have 1 and 1 here. We got 1. Take minus common. We have cos square A by 2 minus sine square B by 2. From these two terms take minus common, minus sine square C by 2 as it is. We have cos square A minus sine square A form. So this will become 1 minus cos A by 2 plus B by 2 into cos A by 2 minus B by 2. This is the formula. Cos square A minus sine square A value is cos A plus B into cos A minus B minus sine square C by 2 as it is. 1 minus cos, this A by 2 plus B by 2 can be written as, by using this, A by 2 plus B by 2 value is pi by 2 minus C by 2. Pi by 2 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sine square C by 2. 1 minus cos 90 minus theta, 90 comes, so it will become sine C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus, we have sine square c by 2. Here we have minus sin c by 2 minus sin c by 2. Take common with minus sign. Minus is common, so it will become plus sin c by 2. Here change this c by 2 to in terms of a and b, so it will become pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. So we have 1 minus sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2, 1 minus sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, plus cos a plus b by 2. This will become 1 minus sin c by 2 cos a minus b plus cos a plus b value is 2 cos a cos b. So it will become 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Last one is sin c by 2. We got RHS. Now in any triangle, prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 equal to 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Last is c by 2. Here we have sine. So convert any one of them into sine. So write down cos square a by 2 as it is. Change this to sine. So it will become 1 minus sine square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 as it is. Change this one. Now write down 1 here. 1 plus this term cos square a by 2. This term minus sin square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. 1 plus cos square a minus sin square b form. So it will become cos a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos a by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. 1 plus cos, this will become pi by 2 minus c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 into minus cos square c by 2. Now cos 90 minus theta is minus plus sin theta. So we have 1 plus sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Here we have sine, so convert this into sine. It will become minus of minus 1 minus sine square c by 2 by using identity. So it will become 1 plus sine c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus 1 plus sine square c by 2. Now this one get cancelled. Here we have sine and sine, take common. Sin c by 2 common, we have cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. Here we have AB, make this in terms of AB. So it will become pi by 2 minus of A plus B by 2. Change this C by 2. Sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos A plus B by 2. Sin C by 2. This will become 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. So we have RHS. 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. Last one is sin C by 2. RHS. Prove that cos square A by 2 cos square B by 2 cos square C by 2 is 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Here we have cos terms, here we have sin terms. So convert any one of them into sin. So we have cos square a by 2 plus convert this 1 minus sin square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Write down this one here, 1 plus this term cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Now apply cos square a minus sin square a formula. We have cos a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. That will become 1 plus cos, this value is pi by 2 minus c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. 1 plus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. It will become sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus, here convert this because here we have sin. So convert this in terms of sin. We have 1 minus sin square c by 2 by using identity. So this one and this one will become 2. 2 plus, take sin common. So we have sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Here we have minus sign. So minus sin c by 2. Now it will become 2 plus sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2 value. Here we have AB, here we have C. So remove this C in terms of AB. We have pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2. So it will become 2 plus sin C by 2 into, we have cos, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So it will become cos A plus B by 2. That will become 2 plus sin C by 2. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. So it will become 2 into this 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. We got RHS. If A plus B equal to C, prove that cos square A, cos square B, cos square C is 1 plus 2 cos A, cos B, cos C. We have given A plus B is equals to C. Generally, we have pi here. So send this C here, it will become A plus B minus C is equals to 0. Here we want pi. So add pi on both sides. We have A plus B plus pi minus C is equals to pi. Now take this as some other constant D is equals to pi. That is, we have taken D value as pi minus C. Now we got the relation A plus B plus D equal to pi, similar to this. Now take this LHS, cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. Now cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2A by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2B by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2C by 2. Take LCM, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 plus cos 2A cos 2B cos 2C divided by 2. Here we have a relation between A, B and D, not with C. We know that D equal to pi minus C. From this, apply 2 on both sides. 2D equal to 2 pi minus 2C. Now we want cos 2C. So 2C value is 2 pi minus 2D. Apply cos on both sides. Cos 2C equal to cos 2 pi minus 2d. So 2 pi minus theta value is theta only, so cos 2d. So cos 2c value is cos 2d. So we have 3 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b. This term cos 2c value is cos 2d divided by 2. Now using this formula, cos 2a, cos 2b, cos 2c is minus 1, minus 4. So this will become 3 plus minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b. Here d is there, so cos d divided by 2. Now this will become 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 minus 4 by 2 is 2. 2 cos a cos b cos d. Now we want in terms of c, so replace this d. 1 minus 2 cos a cos b. This cos d value is pi minus c. So this become cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, so that minus will become plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. We got RHS. A plus b is 60, cos square a cos square b minus cos a cos b value is 3 by 4. We have to prove it. Now change one of them into sine. So this can be written as 1 minus sine square a plus cos square b minus cos a cos b. Now write down 1 plus this term cos square b, next minus sine square a minus, apply the formula cos square a minus sine square b value is cos a plus b. Here we have b plus a into cos b minus a minus cos a cos b. 1 plus cos a plus b or b plus a value is 60 degree. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2, so it will become 1 by 2 cos, expand this cos a minus b cos b cos a plus sin b sin a minus cos a into cos b. Take LCM. Here we have 2 cos b cos a plus sin b sin a minus 2 cos a cos b, 2 into this, so it will become 1 plus, write down this sin b sin a, 2 minus 1 is minus cos b cos a divided by 2. Now this can be written as, take minus common, we have 1 minus cos b cos a minus sin b sin a divided by 2, that equal to 1 minus, this is in the form of cos a plus b, so it will become cos b plus a divided by 2. So we have 1 minus cos a plus b value is 60, cos 60 by 2, that is 1 minus cos 60 value is 1 by 2 divided by 2, that equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 is 4, 1 by 4. So LCM is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So we got 3 by 4 RHS.